Hello, welcome to my channel. This is King's Tutor. Okay, now we're asked to solve this question. Now the question said the manufacturing cost of finished goods is 75,000, and the selling and distribution expenses is 5,000, and the markup is 25%. Okay, and they said what is the sales value of the year? Now we have different options here. Now we're going to solve this with the knowledge of the markup and also manufacturing account. We have that in our YouTube channel. Ensure you check that in details. Okay. Now, if they say the markup is 25%, now what it means or what they're trying to tell us is markup is the relationship between the profit and the cost price. Okay. So if we have 25%, which is 25 over 100, now markup is the relationship between profit and what? The cost. Now, they said the manufacturing cost of the finished goods is 75,000. So we want to get the value of the profit so that we can determine the sales value because it is a cost plus profit that will give sales. Okay. So if we do that, now we have 25 over 100 equals our P is profit unknown equal to now our C is the cost. Now they say the manufacturing cost of the finished goods is 75,000. Okay, so if we cross multiply, we have 100P equals 75,000 times 25. So to get our P, we divide both sides by 100. So if this cancels this, our P, which is profit, equals 75,000 times 25. Using our calculator, it will give us 800 and it will give us 1,875,000, okay, divided by 100. So to get our profit, now this cancel this. So we now have our profit as 18750. So our profit is 18,750. But they're asking us what is the sales value. And we know that sales equals the profit plus what? Cost. That is what is sales value. So we have our profit as 18,750 plus what is our cost as 75,000. So 18,750 plus 75,000 using the calculator to give us 93,750 as the sales value. Now we'll check here, 93,750 is E. Okay, so that is the sales value. Now the next one is for you. What is the net profit for the year? Given this, ensure drop in the comment section the net profit for the year. Thank you. Ensure you follow us on our platform. Thank you very much.